Well, good evening and welcome to our King 5 First Alert Weather Center. We have a lot shaking or about to shake here in the Pacific Northwest. Let's begin by going to radar. Now, we will still see nothing falling over western Washington. The clearing skies after some high clouds drifted through earlier today, the light winds, means we're again likely to see at least some areas of fog, freezing fog, or frost. You can definitely get that sense as you check in on some of our colder schoolnet stations. 28 degrees in Olympia already, down to 31 in Bellingham and also Snoqualmie. But let's get a sense of how that's going to continue to chill overnight tonight into tomorrow, with widespread areas dropping into the 20s. Then it'll warm up during the day, probably in the low to mid 40s. But the basic change is that the ridge of high pressure that's been with us is going to weaken and enable this big trough of low pressure to move through overnight Saturday and into Sunday. Look at the blue. That represents very cold air. Northwesterly winds mean it will also direct in some moisture from over the ocean. So if we go to our futurecast projected snow accumulations and run this forward in time, look at Saturday, how we first see snow over the Cascades and Olympics, but then Sunday we might get some what we might call snow shadowing off the Olympics from winds moving up and then over the Olympics, but excellent opportunities for snow generally from about Everett or North King County northward, and also south of roughly Elliott Bay and also Commencement Bay. We could see a couple of inches. This does not look like a major snowstorm. It's going to be localized snowfall, but we are likely to see at least scattered snow showers off and on. That's likely to develop Saturday night, mainly late Saturday night into Sunday morning, when we're likely to see snow showers or a mix of snow and rain showers. The one exception could be close to sea level, where we're more likely to see just plain rain showers, except in particularly heavy showers that could briefly drag the snow level close to sea level. Stay tuned. We'll have further updates both here on King5.com and, of course, on King 5 News. Have a good evening. Be safe.